instructions for filling the optical form for midterms and ELAT exams, and some other important reminders. Saloon number. Write your original classroom number, not necessarily the exam hall or saloon where you are taking the exam. Marking the form. Don't just shade the circles, also write your classroom number and student number. To indicate the question type, check the cover of your exam paper to see if it's set A or set B, and mark accordingly. Personal information. Make sure to write your name, surname, and signature on both the optical form and the exam paper. Use of pencil and eraser and shading the form. Use a pencil, not a pen, to fill out the optical form. When shading your answers on the optical form, ensure the circles are shaded as perfectly as possible, meaning completely fill the circle without going outside the lines. Avoid incomplete, light, or messy shading to ensure the machine can read your answers accurately. Bring an eraser to make corrections if needed. Time management. Marking the optical form is included in the exam duration. You will not be given extra time for this. It is recommended that you transfer your answers to the optical form every 5 to 10 minutes. Answer marking. Ensure that you mark your answers both on the exam paper and the optical form. Written and productive parts. Use the optical form only for multiple choice questions. The written and productive parts should be completed on the exam paper. You are not allowed to leave the classroom until the listening section is over. Electronic devices. Smartwatches and earphones are not allowed. Your proctor will instruct you on where to place your cell phones before the exam starts. Ensure your phone is silenced. Before the exam and late arrivals. If you are more than 20 minutes late, you will not be allowed to take the exam. Come at least 20 minutes early to know your seat assignment and fill in the optical form correctly before the exam starts. When you receive your exam paper, immediately check to ensure no pages are missing. If you notice anything wrong, inform your proctor right away. Remember these rules and good luck with your exams.